Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Just wanted to walk you through the assignments that you'll be working on this week. So I'm already logged into Schoology. Your page is probably going to look something like mine. Your first job is going to be to click on the Brown Bear Classroom. That's the only classroom that you ever need to click on because everything is in that one classroom. So I'm going to click on that. It's the one called 4th grade Robinson Room 16. Okay, once you get into that classroom, your page is going to look kind of like mine. So there's going to be that message in the folder, March 30 to April 3rd. All of your assignments are going to be in that one folder. I was trying to simplify this for you so that you just have one place to click for everything. So let me expand that folder. So when I go to expand it, I've got assignments for each day of the week laid out for you. So if you expand the Monday folder for March 30th, you're going to see 3 assignments in there for reading. There's fluency, author's purpose, and spelling. I'm going to close that one up and show you the Tuesday folder. So Tuesday, there's a social studies assignment as well as all of the math assignments. It's in this pink folder right here. Okay, I'm going to close that one up. So for Wednesday, you've got the reading assignments. You've got another fluency practice. You've got author's purpose practice, as well as more spelling. Okay. Thursday, there's a new social studies assignment, and that's the first one right here. The next part is just a reminder to keep working through the math assignments. All right. The last day, Friday, is the reading log, as well as a reminder that all of your work is due this Friday, April 3rd at 3 p.m. So you don't have to do the assignments in the order they were given to you. This is just a layout for you to follow if you would prefer it. Your job is going to be to work through everything in this March 30 to April 3rd folder the whole week so that by the end of the week, you've gotten everything turned in. Again, you don't have to follow the order that everything is in the folder. You can move at your own pace and pick and choose where you want to start and when, as long as everything is done by Friday, April 3rd at 3 p.m. All right, I'll talk to you later.